everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a photo video on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, you just click on a new project. And after this, you can add the photo that you want to edit. Maybe this one, and this one. And after this, you can click add at the bottom. Sorry, this one. And in here, if you wanna add a style for your photo, so you just click on the clip or on the photo, and after this you can click a style, this one, and after this you can add a camera shake, camera bunch, or the effect that you want. In here I wanna add a camera bunch for the first photo, and then please waiting. And after this you can click check icon in here. Sorry, this one. And now you can click on the second photo, this one, and after this you can add a style again. Click on it, and in here I wanna add a camera shake effect, this one. Click on it and please waiting. Okay, and after this you can click check icon in here, and now you can click on the third photo, and after this you can click on the style again, and after this you can choose the effect that you want, maybe this one, and add a photo puzzle. Okay, please waiting. And after this you can click check icon in here. Okay, now you can click on for a photo, this one, and after this you can click on the style again. Okay, and after this you can choose the photo that you want to edit, maybe this one. Okay, please waiting. And after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to make a photo video on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.